Good morning, class. In today's lesson, we are going to introduce syntax. This is a unit that we are going to be taking throughout the semester. Now, today we are going to introduce it as the first lesson in our semester. We are going to introduce what syntax is. In this class, you're expected to know what syntax is. You're also expected to know the key concept of syntax. You are also expected to know the importance of syntax, its historical development, and branches and challenges. Now, in the definition of syntax, we are told that syntax is the branch of linguistics that deals with rules, with the rules governing the structure of sentence in a language. It explores how words are combined to form phrases and sentences, as well as the relationship between words in a sentence. Yeah, it is the branch of linguistics that deals with the rules governing the structure of the sentence in a language. It explores how words are combined to form phrases, sentences, as well as the relationship between words in a sentence. The key concept of syntax is the sentence structure, which are the basic units of communication in a language. They are composed of words, and the order of these words is not arbitrary but follows certain rules. Understanding these rules is essential to grasp the structure of a language. A phrase is a group of words that function as a single unit within a sentence. Phrases can be noun phrases, verb phrases, prepositional phrases, etc. Here, a constituency refers to the idea that phrases are composed of smaller units. It is represented in syntactic trees where smaller units are combined to form larger constituents. Syntactic rules. This syntax relies on the set of rules that governs how words can be combined to form grammatical sentences. Yeah. It relies on a set of rules that govern how words can be combined to form grammatical sentences. These rules dictate words' order, agreement, and other structural aspects. Ambiguity. Sentences can be structurally ambiguous, leading to multiple interpretation. Now let's look at, okay, it also says that syntactic analysis helps resolve ambiguity and determine the intended meaning. Let's look at the importance of syntax. Syntax is crucial for understanding languages on multiple levels, e.g. comprehension. It aids in understanding the structure of sentences and deriving meaning from them. Yeah, it helps in understanding the structure of sentences and deriving meaning from them. Production. It guides the construction of grammatical sentences when speaking or writing. It is also vital for translation between languages. Yes. Language acquisition. Understanding syntax is fundamental to language learning. It is important to language learning. Now let's look at syntax, historical development of syntax. There is structuralism. Okay, in early linguistics like Ferdinand de Souza proposed on the surface of structure on the surface structure of language. Transformational grammar was worked on by Noam Chomsky. His work introduced the idea of deep structure and surface structure, underlying, okay, deep structure, surface structure, emphasizing on underlying syntactic rules. Chomsky's generative grammar theory explores the innate universal grammar that underlines all languages. Branches of syntax. Descriptive syntax analyzes the structure of specific languages, documenting the rules and patterns. Comparative syntax compares the structure of different languages to identify similarities and differences. Theoretical syntax focuses on developing theories and models and explain universal syntactic principles. Now, these are the challenges of syntax. We are told that syntactic variation, which is the difference in which is different languages have distinct syntactic structure, making cross-linguistic analysis complex. Syntactic ambiguity. Sentences can be structurally ambiguous, and resolving this ambiguity in a central challenge. Interface with semantics. The relationship between syntax and semantics, how structure conveys meaning in a complex area of study. In a complex area of study. That's our class for today. It was short because we were just going to introduce syntax. And we have looked at what syntax is, and we have said that it's a branch of linguistics that deals with the rules governing the structure of sentences in a language. We have said that it explores how words are combined to form phrases. We have also looked at concept in syntax, which is surface constituency, syntactic rules, and ambiguity. We have also looked at importance of syntax, historical development of syntax challenges. Now that's our class for today. Make sure you can do topic question. You participate in the discussion for that your attendance will be taken. And also download the notes in your portal. Download and make sure that you read the notes. Yes. And that was our class for today. Have a nice day. Let's meet next week. Next week we'll be having a class. So let's meet during our next class.
Record.